Want to know how to manage notifications or customize notifications in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Shortwave application or the website. And on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here, right below your avatar. This is your settings. Just simply open up. Now on the left side, you should be seeing notifications. It's right below compose. So once you have checked that, you can just simply manage notifications right here. So first up is push notifications. So you can just simply enable by selecting turn on right here. So it allow on your browser and it should be turned on. Now you can also see emails from people. So you can also get notified for emails from humans and people. And you can also see built-in labels. So you can also get notified for emails that have automatically received a built-in label as well, which goes from travels to updates. So you can also add custom labeled mails, emails to channels, emails to mailing lists, and you can just simply scroll down and see desktop icon badges and much more. And that's it. This is how you customize your mails. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.